today I will tell you about why we celebrate International Tiger Day, who started the project, importance of World Tiger Day. Okay, then let's start it. The goal of the day is to promote a global system for protecting the natural habitats of tiger and to raise public awareness and support for tiger conservation issue. Importance of World Tiger Day. It is said that where tiger thrives is a sign that the ecosystem is healthy. International Tiger Day is celebrated on 29th of July annually to promote the protection of natural habitats of tigers and to increase awareness about the conservation of tiger. International Tiger Day is also known as Global Tiger Day. Global Tiger Day is a way to raise awareness about this magnificent but endangered big cat. Now I am telling you about when was International Tiger Day first celebrated and who started the project. International Tiger Day was established in 2010 at St. Petersburg Tiger Summit in Russia to raise awareness about the decline of wild tigers number, leaving them in brink of extinction to encourage the work of tiger conservation. Project Tiger was launched by the Indira Gandhi government in 1973 from the Jim Corbett National Park in Uttarakhand. The tiger is an endangered species in the world. At the turn of the 20th century, India has a population of tigers that range from 20,000 to 40,000 nowadays. So these are some important points about International Tiger Day celebration. Thank you guys.